County in southwestern Oklahoma, Love County in southern Oklahoma, Southern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Murray County in southern Oklahoma, Eastern Dillon County in southwestern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Eastern Kiowa County in southwestern Oklahoma, Southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 3:15 a.m. At 9:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated scattered thunderstorms and an additional line of storms producing heavy rain in or approaching the warned area. Many locations have already received 1 to 3 inches of rain with some locally heavier amounts. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when out during flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.